New Year opening for 2025. 恭喜发财. Here we have our 1 megawatt diesel generator set built in a 20-foot container. The standout feature is this pair of double door, which is 1.8 meter width. It enables the engine for overhauling. The technician can take out the engine for overhauling easily. And we make the large space for the engineer for maintenance. Let's see another side. We have CSC certificate for all the containerized generators. We make whatever it is, 20-foot container, 40-foot or 40 high Q. Thanks to the collocated structure of the container, we can ship on board directly. And let's look inside. The insulation materials were arranged tightly to reduce the sound level. The sound level of this generator is around 80 to 85 dB at 7 meter. Again, the space for maintenance is quite big, so it is easily for the technician to change oil, fill in fuel, or change or clean the fuel tanks. So nowadays, there are more and more inquiries from the mining industry, rental company, construction company, and also the power plants for the containerized generator. If you are interested in this kind of containerized generators, please contact with our sales.